So first thing you have to do, create one repository. Okay, so go to the new and then create one repository, say for example demo GitHub. Okay, so demo GitHub, I have given the name. What kind of repository is this? This should be a public repository. As per your convenience you can make it, no issue at all. So you, and just readme file for just nothing, just a default readme file you will get. So you have a you have created repository with one file only in your repository as of now. It's a readme.md. So now the first thing you have to do is just go and create your first, clone of this repository in some location. Maybe you are pushing it into the C drive. So what you do here is git clone. This is the command, and you need to push the repository address here. So you just copy and paste the repository address, hit enter. So this will create this demo. Okay, demo GitHub is there. Now look at this current thing. So you have to again go back and show the GitHub bash, and you just create this GitHub bash, right? So you are here now. Just create one file, new file here, new text file you should push, and this is the new document 1.txt, not txt, so 1. Okay, now this file has like, this is the file, this is the file need to be uploaded into the repository. Okay, so I will save this file. Yes, save it, and then just push this. So how do you do? First thing is you have to do is git add and this. Then you have to do git commit -m adding file. I'm sorry. Yeah, so something is wrong, right? Yeah. So this is your command, nothing to commit. So yeah, so this is already done. Now git push origin and the branch, right? So this is your command to push the created new file into the repository. Hit it. So yeah, so this ran well. Now if you see this thing here, it should be reflected. So this is one file, 1.txt is pushed into your repository. Now another thing you have to do is like you modify this 1.txt here itself, and then you just have to do it here. Second is this is modified outside of local repository, and you need to pull into local repository repos. Okay, so how do you do it? Just commit it here only, and that's it. Now when you go here and say git pull origin and say main, so this file we will create, update this file. Okay, and now you see that this is the modified file you received here in your local repository. So until now you have already gone through with the pull command, push command, then add command, clone command, right? These 4 commands you already gone through. Now the next thing is how to create a new branch, and then how to merge one branch to other branch, like that. Okay, and vice versa. So for that demonstration, let me create first few branch. So for creating branch, before creating branch, let's check the git branch. Current branch is main branch, right? I have to create git checkout -b, and new branch name is dev1. So now you have created one main branch, and now next thing is you have to create new branch you have created. What we do here is just commit few files into this branch. So how you will that? So you have created one branch. Now you need to add the existing file in there, and then git commit, right, -m updating branch. So okay, now git push origin and dev1. So this will update the tree here, and you can just reload it. You will see that there are 2 branches now, main and dev. Dev has also the same files, you will see. And how you check here, dev1 and text1, right? So both branch have same like files. Now main and dev. Okay. So this is there, like from main you just created one branch and uploaded the main file into the dev branch. Now just modify some, just add few files in dev branch, say for example. So what I'm doing here is just creating one new file, and say for example this is 2.2, so 2.txt. Now you have to just git add. So what I'm doing here is I'm just adding this 2.txt file into dev1 branch. So I will just adding this value and then git commit -m, and I will say 2.txt added. So I have created this, and I would say git push origin into dev1. Okay, so 2.txt file is added onto. Yes. Now same thing I will do on this also. Like if I want to add this into main also, so what do I do? Git push, and I will say origin, and I will say main branch. Let's push this file into main branch also. So this is updated. Why is this like that? Because main do not have this file. Dev have this file, but main do not have this file. So what you do first, you have to pull that file into main. So how we will pull it? Just switch to the main. So I will say that git checkout, and my main branch is main. Okay, so I come to here main. Now what I do here is get pull origin and dev1. So dev1, so those all, pull the all files from dev1 to the current main branch. So I will pull it. Okay, so I think the spelling mistake. Git pull and pull origin and dev1. Sorry, dev1. Yes. So you pull everything in from there, and now you have git. So you call this git add dot, then git commit -m 2.txt added, and then okay, again the same mistake, get. So git, okay, so nothing to commit. Okay, now you have to just push git push, because everything in here, like in your local, you have updated file. So git push and origin, and where you have to push main, right? So this will push to the main. So now you will see that this will commit new 2.txt file into your main file also. Just reload this, and you'll see that 2.txt file is added into your repository. So you have learned like how to clone the repository, how to create file and upload into the repository. To push to the repository, pull new files from the repository, then how to create new branch, copy vice versa from one branch to other branch. So these many GitHub commands you have learned today. This much is the basic requirement of any GitHub repository. I believe that if you follow this properly, you will able to handle your day-to-day requirement in GitHub. Now, after that, if you have any confusion, if you need any clarification or any issue you find in doing these things, please comment in my video. I will help you to find the solution, and I'm very happy to answer any query if you have anything left right now. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. Thank you.